Word hacking cough. Definitions. A type of cough that is dry and persistent, often resembling a harsh, repetitive noise that is not productive of mucus. Meanings. A hacking cough usually indicates irritation of the airways and can be a symptom of various underlying conditions, such as allergies, infections, or environmental irritants. Example 1. The patient entered the clinic with a severe hacking cough that has persisted for several days. Example 2. He was worried because his daughter's hacking cough seemed to worsen at night. Master new words daily. Subscribe now and support us with a coffee. Link below.